On Wednesday, July 26, Samsung will take off covers from the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 foldable phones in multiple markets, including India. Before launch, reliable tipster Ashin Agarwal revealed storage variants, color options, and sale date timeframe of the next-generation foldables for the Indian market. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. According to the tipster, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will arrive in 3 shades, such as Phantom Black, Cream, and Icy Blue. It will be available in 3 storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will come in color options, such as Graphite, Cream, Lavender, and Mint. They will come in storage variants such as 128 GB and 256 GB. The leak reveals that the Z Fold and Z Flip 5 will also be available in Samsung-exclusive colors. These shades will only be available through Samsung's online store. The tipster said that Samsung has not yet determined the sales/delivery date for its upcoming foldables, but it is expected to fall between August 12 and August 18, with the furthest possible date being August 22. Samsung India's YouTube channel will broadcast the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event live at 4:30 p.m. local time in India. Those who are interested in the new foldables can pre-reserve them by sending Rs2000 through platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, Samsung India's website, Samsung exclusive stores, and retail outlets. Samsung has officially announced that customers who pre-reserve these devices will receive benefits worth Rs5,000 upon purchase. This pre-reservation offer appears to extend to those considering purchasing the Galaxy Tab S9 series or the Galaxy Watch 6 as well. If you could choose any of the Samsung exclusive colors for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or Galaxy Z Flip 5, which one would you choose and why? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.